Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our life, so many times we have faced situations in which we have to make a lot of complaints. So in this video, we are going to learn how to make complaints. So making complaints, we are learning some phrases, almost 6 phrases we are going to learn today. And with these phrases, you can make your own complaint. Okay, so first phrase is like this. Sorry to bother you, but I have to say something about. Sorry to bother you, but I have to say something about dash. There you have to fill. For example, sorry to bother you, but I have to say something about your poor service. Sorry to bother you, but I have to say something about the quality of your rooms. Sorry to bother you, but I have to say something about your child. Like that you can make a lot of complaints after, but I have to say something about. There you can fill your complaints. The second phrase is like this. I'm sorry to say this, but I haven't. I'm sorry to say this, but I haven't received your mail. I'm sorry to say this, but I haven't received the courier you sent me last week. So here you can cut this. You can say this. I'm sorry to say this, but I haven't. There you have to make your complaint. Good? Here is the third phrase. I'm afraid there is a slight problem with dash. I'm afraid there is a slight problem with the watch I bought yesterday. Or I'm afraid there is a slight problem with the washing machine I bought yesterday. I'm afraid there is a slight problem with the mobile phone I bought last week. So you can add the product. You can make a complaint about a product using this phrase. I'm afraid there is a slight problem with. Sometimes when we take the rooms in a hotel or motel, we may make some complaints about the fittings there. Sometimes the bathroom tap may be leaking, or some problems will be there somewhere around. So here you have to make some complaints. Here is the fourth phrase. Excuse me, but there is a problem about the tap in the bathroom. Excuse me, but there is a problem about dash. So you can say that. Excuse me, there is a problem about the tap in the bathroom. Excuse me, there is a problem about the TV remote. Excuse me, there is a problem about the AC. Like that you can make some complaints about the fittings there. Okay, now we can go through the fifth phrase that can be used for making complaint. Here is the fifth phrase. Excuse me, I want to make complaint about one of your teachers. Here you can make the complaint about the people of a particular organization, sometimes in the school or the place you get the service. So you can say that, excuse me, I want to make the complaint about one of your staff here, like that. Okay, now here is the sixth phrase. I am angry about the way you are treating me. This is face-to-face making complaint. I am angry about the way you are speaking to me. I am angry about the way you are treating me. Got it? So this is the way you can make complaint to a person directly. You can say your complaint to a person directly. How do you respond to these complaints? You can respond to these complaints in either positive way or negative way. First, we will learn how to make positive response to the complaint of others. So we can say like this. If you want to say positively, respond positively, you can say like this. I am sorry, but this will never occur again. I'm sorry, but this will never occur again. I am sorry, but this will never occur again. Next phrase, you can say like this also. I beg your pardon, but this will never happen again. I beg your pardon, but this will never happen again. I beg your pardon, but this will never happen again. Now third phrase to respond positively. I'm sorry, we promise never happen this same mistake again. I'm sorry, we promise never to happen the same mistake again. Now here is the fourth phrase. I'm really sorry, we will do our utmost not to happen the same mistake again. I'm really sorry, we will do our utmost not to do the same mistake again. Okay? I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, we will do our utmost not to do the same mistake again. The final phrase we can say like this: we are very sorry, we will do our best not to happen the same mistake again. We are very sorry, we will do our best not to happen the same mistake again. We are sorry, we will do our best not to happen the same mistake again. Okay, now how do you respond negatively for the complaints? So here is the three phrases we can, sometimes people make the negative response to the complaint. First phrase is like this: I'm sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. I'm sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. There is nothing we can do about it. Okay? Now, the second phrase: I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it. I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it. I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it. The third phrase is like this: we are sorry, but the food is just all right. When you made the complaint about the food, they reply like this: we are sorry, but the food is just all right. We are sorry, but the food is just all right. Friends, we have learned so many phrases in order to make complaints, how to respond positively, how the people negatively respond to the complaints. And we are going to conclude our video. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and you are going through the previous lessons. And we have learned so many phrases related with the fluency boosters. And friends, if you haven't subscribed our channel, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you will get updated videos. So thank you very much. Goodbye.